Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So all the values are given. We want to find the heat transfer. They give us the area, 8 by 11 meters. They give us the length, 0.26 in thickness, and that's in meters. They give us the K value, which is the thermoconductivity, 0.93 watts per meter per degree Celsius. They give us the inner surface temperature, which is 16 degrees Celsius, and the outer surface temperature, which is 5 degrees Celsius. So the heat transfer, or the heat loss, the answer is E, 3,462 watts. We can skip step 1, there is no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. We're trying to find the heat transfer. So the length, the thermoconductivity, the area, and the two temperatures respectively. Step 3, find the heat transfer formula. So Q is heat, is equal to K multiplied by A multiplied by the inner surface temperature minus the outer surface temperature divided by the length or thickness. Alright, step 4, we plug and play. Everything's given. So we plug it into our graphic calculator and we'll get 3,462 watts. In your calculator you'll have point something something. So we're going to round it down to the nearest whole number. So that is why we get this whole number, because the answer is only in a whole number, so they round it down. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Go to your taskbar, click on the icon. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, then click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.